The Earth's rotation, spinning at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, is a fundamental force that shapes our planet. But what if this spinning stopped abruptly? The scenario where Earth suddenly stops spinning is an interesting and catastrophic hypothetical event with numerous dramatic consequences. Here's a detailed explanation of what would happen if Earth were to abruptly halt its rotation. 1. Inertia and motion. Surface objects. The Earth's surface at the equator moves at approximately 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,040 miles per hour, due to rotation. If Earth stopped spinning suddenly, everything on its surface, including humans, animals, buildings, and oceans, would continue moving at this speed due to inertia. This would result in catastrophic winds, massive tsunamis, and widespread destruction as objects are hurled eastward at high velocities. Atmosphere. The atmosphere would continue to move at the Earth's original rotational speed. This would create incredibly powerful winds and severe atmospheric turbulence. 2. Seismic activity. The sudden stop would likely cause massive earthquakes and volcanic activity due to the immense stress on the Earth's crust. The redistribution of forces would affect tectonic plates dramatically. 1. Reorganization of water. Oceans. Currently, the centrifugal force caused by Earth's rotation causes the equatorial bulge, where the Earth's diameter is greatest at the equator. Without rotation, this bulge would flatten out, causing ocean water to redistribute. Water would rush towards the poles, potentially creating new land masses at the equator and submerging higher latitudes underwater. Extreme weather. The sudden stop would lead to extreme and chaotic weather patterns initially. Over time, without the Coriolis effect, which is caused by Earth's rotation, wind and ocean current patterns would change drastically. Temperature distribution. Earth's rotation contributes to the day-night cycle. Without it, a day would last a year, with one side of the planet experiencing constant daylight and the other constant darkness for 6 months at a time. This would result in extreme temperature variations, with one side becoming extremely hot and the other extremely cold. 3. Magnetic field. Earth's rotation is partially responsible for generating its magnetic field through the dynamo effect in the liquid outer core. If the rotation stopped, the dynamo could cease, leading to the gradual loss of the magnetic field. This would expose the planet to higher levels of solar and cosmic radiation, affecting all forms of life. 1. Habitability. The drastic climate changes would make many regions uninhabitable. Areas under constant daylight would become deserts, while those in constant darkness would become frozen wastelands. The redistribution of oceans and the new weather patterns would disrupt ecosystems and food chains, leading to mass extinctions. 2. Human civilization. Infrastructure would be destroyed by the initial cataclysmic events. Survivors would face the challenge of adapting to a drastically altered planet. Agriculture would be severely impacted due to the new climate conditions, leading to food shortages. A gradual versus sudden stop. If Earth were to stop gradually over millions of years, the effects would be less catastrophic, giving life forms time to adapt. However, a sudden stop, as considered in this scenario, would lead to immediate and widespread devastation. Scientific feasibility. A sudden stop of Earth's rotation is not considered possible due to the immense angular momentum of the planet. The forces required to halt the rotation instantaneously are beyond any natural or human-made phenomenon. The sudden stoppage of Earth's rotation would be a cataclysmic event leading to immediate destruction due to inertia, severe atmospheric and seismic disturbances, and long-term climate alterations. The redistribution of water and changes in the magnetic field would further contribute to the inhospitable conditions, posing a significant threat to all forms of life on the planet. While this scenario is purely hypothetical and scientifically implausible, It serves as a compelling thought experiment to understand the dynamic systems that sustain life on Earth.